It's Phil here from Grout Perfect, and here's another scope before and after bathroom makeover on budget. Check this out. So we're going to colour seal the floor. We'll run a colour sealer through this grout. You'll see that it's different colours. It's sort of stained. Sand-based grout does this, so we'll put a colour sealer through there, and we'll do the uprights as well. You'll see the shower floor here, calcified. So this is just from years of leach from sand-based grout. So we're going to remove this grout and put in a beautiful new epoxy marine grade grout. We'll run a new silicone around the uprights around the shower, and then we'll colour seal the wall. So we'll get this looking really good. We'll put a mist white through it, which is this colour here, and we'll run it all the way through the shower. You see it yellowing. And colour sealer will come all the way out through here as well. So stand by. This is the before. The last thing we're going to do, if you step in here, you'll be able to see, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see the water staining on the glass there? This is mineral staining. This is from lime, silica, calcium, iron and copper. So we actually own the Water Stain Doctor Limited as well, which is a global patent, and much bigger than Grout Perfect will ever be. But we're going to remove that staining on that glass, and we'll put a coating on it as well. So stand by, we'll show you the result. This is Phil. Okay, so here's the result. Check this out. Just spin this around here. So all the floor's been colour sealed. There's no need to rip the grout out when you're talking colour sealing. You just basically colour seal it. We run silicone bead all the way around the edge of the room. Doesn't that look so much better? Something so simple that should have been done when this place was built and these bathrooms were installed, but nice silicone bead along the edge of the shower door there as well. We've restored the shower door glass. I won't pull this door out at the moment because the silicone's still setting. Installed brand new, beautiful epoxy marine grade grout in the bottom and got rid of all that crustation that was there before. And cleaned up the drain, installed silicone all the way around the inside of the shower and the uprights, and we've colour sealed the wall. So you'll notice that this wall now is a nice universal mist white all the way through, and that's just rejuvenated this whole shower. Now the shower glass has got a special nano coat protection on there. It's a high-end nanotechnology. It is not a liquid silicone like you buy at a hardware store. The client's got a little shower sticker on there to remind them not to use any scrubbers or caustic products. Job done. This is what we do, guys, on budget. This is a typical example, Grout Perfect.